How to capitalize on asteroid mining opportunities. What if the next gold rush isn't on Earth but in space? Asteroids are packed with platinum, rare earth metals, and resources worth trillions. The question isn't if asteroid mining will happen, it's who will capitalize first. Will it be you? Asteroid mining is no longer just the stuff of sci-fi. It's a rapidly advancing field at the intersection of aerospace, robotics, and finance. And for startups, investors, and visionary entrepreneurs, it's a frontier rich with untapped opportunity. Step 1. Understand the economics. Certain near-Earth asteroids contain massive concentrations of platinum group metals, water, and industrial minerals. Just one small asteroid could be worth tens of billions. Step 2. Identify your entry point. You don't need to build rockets. Support industries like AI-powered navigation, autonomous mining drones, asteroid scanning software, and orbital transport services are all critical to this ecosystem. Step 3. Follow the policy. Space law is evolving fast. Monitor international frameworks like the Artemis Accords and national legislation in the US, Luxembourg, and Japan. Secure intellectual property early and explore licensing options. Step 4. Partner up. Collaborate with space agencies, research labs, or private aerospace firms. Companies like Planetary Resources and Transastra are already leading the charge, and they need strategic allies, tech providers, and investors. Step 5. Think beyond mining. Extracted water can be turned into rocket fuel. Metals can build orbital habitats or satellite networks. The future economy of space depends on what asteroid mining unlocks. This isn't just mining, it's Space Industry 2.0. Want to be part of the next trillion-dollar race? Like, comment, and subscribe for more future-proof business strategies from the final frontier.